Hello, welcome back to Spot Channel. Now I will give you tutorial how to arrange maximum distance on Tinder for Android. And for that, I wanna ask you, how are you guys? So in the midst of our videos, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And now let's go to start it. First, we go to the Tinder application that you have been to install it before. Click on the Tinder. Okay. Let's see, and just keep waiting. Click tap on or click for the symbol or the photos in the upper of the left corner and go to the settings. Okay, and after that you can slide away until you find about the maximum distance. Now I choose the 50 miles, and how to make it more a bigger distance, you can adjust to slide or you to slide here until it has the 100 mil is the maximum for you, because you don't add for the maximum again. So the 100 mil is your distance maximum. And how to make it a minimum, you can adjust to slide to the left, especially for the 15 mil. I want to this, and now your maximum distance is set. It's very simple way to do it. Okay, this is a tutorial how to arrange maximum distance on Tinder for Android. I hope this video is useful for you. Enjoy for this application, and thank you for the attention. Bye.